Hello, violin friends, possibly also violin teacher friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put tapes onto a naked fingerboard for your student or yourself, however, whatever you need it for. I'm gonna put tapes on my violin because I'm about to film some practice buddy videos on my practice buddy channel that are scales. So I want my students and whoever's watching the video to follow along with my fingers where they are on the tapes. If I don't have the tapes on, it's kind of nebulous, and then it's harder to follow along. So here's how I put on tapes. I've got, I do it by ear, so if you can't do it by ear yet, don't worry. Sit by a piano or something, get that pitch. But for me, I know what a whole step sounds like. Here's my open D. There's my first finger note. Do, re, do, re, do, right? So I'm just gonna take a pencil and I'm gonna mark really light under where my finger is. And then do, re, mi. There's my mi, my F sharp. So I'm gonna put my F sharp there. I can, oh, hello. Why are you whining at me? I'm sorry, I'm taking so long. The third finger note, she's helping now. The third finger note is G on the D string, of course, and I can test that by knowing what my half step sounds like. Hi, I know, I love you too. And I can check that with the open. Don't scratch my violin. No. Come lay down. Come to your blanket. She's so distracted. Your third finger note, you can check with your open G, because it's G, right? G, G. Or you can go T, do, or mi, fa. Hi, aha. And so I marked that really quick. Hi. I think I have to pause this to play with my dog for a second. Hang on. Okay. We had a little play. Now we're good. So, I've made my pencil marks. Let's see if you can see them here. Yeah, you can just kind of make them out. 1, 2, 3. There they are. Okay. So, I take my first tape, kind of hold my fiddle between my knees, facing me, and then I come up with the tape. I know you couldn't see that very well, so I'll try to show you on the next one. So, holding it between my knees, I just slip it through, and if I have to stick it temporarily so that I can go fix it later with my eyes. Here we go. I know you can't see what I'm doing, I'm sorry. But you get the gist of it. So here's my last one. Pretty easy. Right up under the strings, follow it up the fingerboard and tape it as straight as you can right there. All right, check that out. Got them done. And now my students will be able to see when I play them a scale. see if I point the camera correctly, like this. Maybe it'll be better this way so you can see that. So that is how to put on position indicator tapes, like, you know, individual tapes. You can also put one here for the fourth finger note, but I didn't want to do that yet for my scale videos. I don't need that. There are also other position indicators that you can get, like the first frets thing, which I have a video of, I also have a video of showing you how to put on one of those. It's like a big fingerboard sticker, and you don't have to put on individual tapes. And every violin I've put one on, it's always perfectly in tune, and there's no guesswork there. But it is a little daunting because you have to take the strings off or just loosen them enough that you can get to the fingerboard, and you gotta clean it and everything. So it's a little more complicated than that. If you just want the easy peasy individual sticker tapes, this is how to do that. If you want the big guy, that is a little more complicated, but very, very cool, because it has, you'll see, but you can get one that has position indicators all throughout to the harmonic note. It's very cool for cello too, and I'm assuming viola and bass as well, but I haven't tried those, haven't looked for those yet. So I hope that this helps you to tape up your student's violin or your own violin if you need it. And if you live in the LA area and you need some help, I'm here. So just message me or comment below. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, please, if you can. And also, probably the next video coming up is my bigger position indicator video. So check that out next. Okay? Take care.